Welcome to our puppet play. This is a variation of a traditional Chinese folktale called The Rabbit and the Carrot. Here are grandmother's spectacles. Here is grandmother's cap. Here is the way we lay our hands quietly in our laps. Here are grandmother's spectacles. Here is grandmother's cap. Here is the way we lay our hands quietly in our laps. Mother of the fairy tale, take me by your silver hand, sail me in your shining boat, sail me silently afloat. Mother of the fairy tale, take me to your storyland. Rabbit and her friends had a tickly cough, so they all stayed home from school. Rabbit was feeling better now, but the cupboard was bare, so she had nothing to eat. She went out to look for some food, and she found 2 carrots. She took them home. She ate up one of the carrots, and she thought to herself, that cough was no fun. It made everyone stay home. Surely Donkey has nothing to eat. I will bring this carrot to him. So she took the carrot to Donkey's house, but he was not there. She left it by the door and went back home again. Donkey was also out looking for food. He found 2 potatoes and went home satisfied. When he got there, he saw the carrot. From where could this carrot have come, Donkey wondered. He ate up his potatoes and thought to himself, that cough was no fun. It made everyone stay home. Surely Lamb has nothing to eat. I will bring this carrot to her. And so he took the carrot and he went to Lamb's house, but Lamb was not at home. He left the carrot by the door and went back home again. Lamb was also out looking for food. She found a head of cabbage and went home satisfied. When she got there, she saw the carrot. From where could this carrot have come, Lamb wondered. She ate up her cabbage and thought to herself, that cough was no fun. It made everyone stay home. Surely Deer has nothing to eat. I will bring this carrot to him. So she took the carrot and went to Deer's house. But Deer was not at home. She laid the carrot by the door and went back home again. Deer was also out looking for food. He found some green leaves and went home satisfied. When he got there, he saw the carrot. From where could this carrot have come, Deer wondered. He ate up his green leaves and he thought to himself, that cough was no fun. It made everyone stay home. Surely Rabbit has nothing to eat. I will bring this carrot to her. So he took the carrot and went to Rabbit's house. But Rabbit was fast asleep. She had eaten her fill and gone straight to bed. He did not want to waken her. So very quietly he laid the carrot by the door and went back home again. When Rabbit awoke, she rubbed her eyes in wonder that Carrot was back again. She thought it over for a moment, and then she said to herself, "Surely a good friend has brought this carrot to me." So she ate it all up, and it tasted very good. Snip, snap, snout, this tale is told out. La, 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 la. La, 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 la. Thank you for this day, for rest and work and play. Thank you for every friend. Soon we will meet again. Farewell, farewell, we've traveled so far to come to earth and shine like a star. Farewell. See you next time.